Hello everybody, and today I want to show you how to treat compound stains, how you remove a stain that you put by accident with compound on plastic. This one is really badly faded as well. So what I want to use today is the Forberz Plastic and Rubber. The product is 100% natural, no silicones, no solvents. It's specially to remove all the compound, all the wax stains, and restore the plastic and rubber parts back to their original state. The product is 100% natural, based on honey. There's no dyes. You can literally eat the stuff. It will never damage anything. And it's super simple to use. You take a little bit, look at that compound stain. Look how it gets out in second. And just look at the difference. It's just crazy. And the compound stain will never come back. Now, let's just keep going a little bit. Wow, that rubber is like super faded. But look how it comes back to life. And of course, it also restores the flexibility, the softness of the rubber and the plastic. You can use it on the interior, exterior, and even on soft tops. And I actually want to show you what happens when they hit some compound on a soft top. Here, you can see the marks. And of course, Forberz is the solution for that as well. Just take a little bit and just work it in to remove the polish stain. And the polish stain will never come back. We just restore everything nicely. After that, wipe it down, all nice and dry. Just look at the difference. It's just crazy.